Okay, so now we're going to prepare a tea streak. And to prepare a tea streak, we have our culture and we have our sterile nutrient agar. Now, streaking is basically trying to get isolated colonies so you could prepare pure culture with these isolated colonies. Now I have a mixed culture. I have Serratia and Micrococcus luteus, so you could see red and you can see yellow in between. So this is not really a very good streak because the colonies are not as isolated as they should be. So now we are going to get some from here and we're going to prepare a streak on this one. We're going to do a tea streak. And to do a tea streak, there are many ways to do streaking, but however, this is a tea streak. And you can see why it's referred to as a tea streak. So we have a T at the back where we divide these plate into three regions. Region 1, Region 2, Region 2, and Region 3. There are many ways to do it. That's just one way to do streaking. So of course, the first thing we need to do is to aseptically transfer bacteria from the culture using our loop. So we sterilize our loop, wait until it's red hot, then wait a few seconds before you actually get to collect and transfer. So now loop is cool. I collect from where Serratia and Micrococcus are, and now I'm going to introduce it to the plate. So the first thing we need to do is to do the first side. Okay, so you can see this is the first side. I am introducing bacteria, so I'm streaking all the way until I get to the halfway point where the line is. All right, so I streaked halfway until I get to the line. So this region has been streaked. Next is I need to collect from here to there. To do this, I need to sterilize the loop. I am no longer going to collect from the culture. So I sterilize the loop, red hot. Let it cool, because you really don't want to get into the medium and, with a very hot loop. So now I will collect from here and go to number 2. So I'll do that at least twice. Once, carrying over, twice. And now I am going in that region only without going back to where I had bacteria. So now I introduce from here to there, and then I streak it all the way down. I repeat this one more time, and of course we need to sterilize the loop. We are not collecting from the culture anymore. And basically what we're doing is just to reduce the number of bacteria that will eventually be in the last segment of the plate. So wait until it's cool, all right? And now we go to the third and last segment. So now I take it from number 2. I know this is where I inoculated. I could see the streaking. So I need to take from here to the last segment. So I go twice, once, twice, and then I streak until I get to the line. So now what I have done is carried bacteria from here to there, and then I streaked all the way down. And by so doing, you should get single colonies, if not in region 2, but definitely in region 3. All right? So you had lots of bacteria, you carried some into number 2, and you took some from number 2, brought to number 3, region number 3, so now you should get single colonies. And of course, once we're finished, we have to sterilize our loop. Okay, and that concludes our strip.